एक सेकंड गाइस, एक सेकंड, रिलैक्स, एक सेकंड। जो लोग वहां खड़े हैं प्लीज थोड़ा सा साइड आ जाएं। एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है सर, इट्स फाइन, आप बैठ सकते हैं प्लीज। देयर इज अ बिट ऑफ एन इमरजेंसी, आई हैव अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट। द एंटायर म्यूजियम इज इन अ लॉकडाउन। सर प्लीज बैठ जाइए, वी गोइंग टू बी गेटिंग ओवर विद दिस, प्लीज, थैंक यू। देखिए आप सब लोग जानते हैं कि यहां पर इस म्यूजियम के अंदर एक बहुत ही बेशकीमती हीरा है, Africa's biggest diamond, the red sun. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Gunjan Utreja. I'm going to be the host. और आज हमारी जिम्मेदारी है, सर प्लीज काम डाउन हो जाइए, बैठ जाइए प्लीज। देखिए घबराने की कोई बात नहीं है, बिकॉज India's top law enforcement agency, the Special Investigative Unit is here and they have secured this premises. So घबराने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है, प्लीज काम डाउन। Guys, please शांत रहिए, thank you. Hello? Yeah? Okay. You sure? Okay. Well done. ठीक है, cool. Yeah, it's in front of me, मेरे सामने ही। Superb. Perfect. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there's a good news. देखिए लॉकडाउन है, कोई बाहर जा नहीं सकता, कोई बाहर से अंदर आ नहीं सकता, लेकिन क्या मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट कर सकता हूं, अपने इर्द गिर्द एक बार देख लीजिए, क्योंकि आप सबके बीच में ही कोई एक बहरूपिया बैठा हुआ। वो इस वक्त एक इसी बिल्डिंग में है, मैं बता रहा हूं आपको। कोई देख रहा है, कोई प्लानिंग कर रहा है इसे चुराने की। बट कैन आई टेल यू, घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, हमारे बीच मौजूद है एक ऐसा जांबाज ऑफिसर जो सिर्फ केस सॉल्व ही नहीं करता, वो गेम शुरू होने से पहले खत्म कर देता है। प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर, क्योंकि हम सबको बचाने, इस जूल को बचाने इस म्यूजियम में आ गया है इंडियाज बेस्ट, इंडियाज ब्रेवेस्ट विक्रम पटेल।
Welcome, Inspector Vikram Patel.
Good evening and relax everyone, क्योंकि we've got everything under control right now. हमारे सूत्रों के अनुसार एक जूल थीफ है जो रेड सन को चुराने की कोशिश करना चाहता है, लेकिन अफसोस वो ऐसा कर नहीं पाएगा क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पर खड़ा हूँ। और जैसा मैंने कहा कि आप सब बहुत सेफ हैं और रेड सन भी।
Jewel key spotted on level 1. I repeat, jewel key spotted on level 1.
Okay, we've got him. All units, let's go.
गलत बोल गया विक्रम, गेम ओवर नहीं, ये गेम तो बस शुरू हो रहा है। एक गेम चोर पुलिस का, एक गेम हाइड एंड सीक का, एक गेम रेड सन की चोरी का। माय गेम, माय रूल्स, माय विक्ट्री, क्योंकि राजन औलख ने कभी हारना सीखा ही नहीं।
आप सब इस जूल को एक आखिरी बार देख लीजिए, क्योंकि अब ये जूल गायब होने वाला है। Shall we?
Hack detected. Hack detected.
It's done.
आप सब काम करोगे मेरा। जब विक्रम आए तो उसे बता देना, एक मैसेज दे देना, गेम ओवर। ले लो रेड सर।
ये क्या हुआ? सब कुछ प्लान के अकॉर्डिंगली था। Is there something wrong?
Warning. Warning.
क्या सोचा था मिस्टर ओलक? ये इतना आसान होगा? गेम भी तेरा, रूल्स भी तेरे, पर जीत नहीं, वो तेरी नहीं होगी, क्योंकि इस जूल को चुराना बच्चों का खेल नहीं, इसे सिर्फ असली जूल थीफ चुरा सकता है।
Ladies and gentlemen, एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Come on everybody. Woo! Let's have a bigger round of applause. सर चोर तो इकट्ठे हो गए, अब उनको भी बुला लेते हैं जिन्होंने इस पूरी चोरी की मास्टरमाइंड करी थी. बुला लें उनको.
Yes, please बुलाइए.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as I invite on stage Director Original Films at Netflix India, Ruchika Kapoor Sheikh, and joining her on stage is the mastermind behind Jewel Thief and some of India's biggest blockbusters, making his grand OTT debut, the one and only Mr. Siddharth Anand. Woo! चलिए, चोर भी इकट्ठे हो गए, मास्टरमाइंड भी इकट्ठे हो गए, कुछ लोग रह गए हैं. एक सेकंड. कुणाल सर, मैंने वो हीरा और इन चोरों को स्टेज पे थोड़ा सा बिजी कर रखा है. आप भी आ जाइए प्लीज जल्दी से. कुणाल सर आ जाइए प्लीज. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. सर ऑफ कोर्स. ओके सर, मैं कह रहा था सबसे पहले तो आपको ढेरों शुभकामनाएं, बट मैं कह रहा था कि जनता काफी उत्सुक है, एक्साइटेड है. सो शुड वी गो अहेड? आपकी इजाजत होनी चाहिए. यू आर द डायरेक्टर, कॉल फॉर इट प्लीज.
I'm actually the producer, but I call the shots here. So let's see the trailer, guys.
ऐसे नहीं सर, ऐसे नहीं होगा. आपकी पिक्चर है, खर्चा काफी किया गया है, स्टाइल और अंदाज में होगा. देखिए वॉल्ट ऐसे खुलेगा नहीं सर, एक कोड के जरिए खुलेगा, और वो कोड जो है वो सिर्फ आपके ही हुक्म से आ सकता है.
चलो बुलाओ उसको और कोड डाला जाए.
I guess we have the code, sir.
The code is the release date, 25/04/25.
Okay.
25/04/25.
तो चेक कर लेते हैं कि क्या ये सही कोड है कि नहीं. 25/04/25. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है स्टेज पर बहुत धमाका होने वाला है, आतिशबाजी होने वाली है. मैं आप सबसे गुजारिश करूंगा कि थोड़ा सा पीछे आ जाएं. लेट्स गो बैक स्टेज एंड एंजॉय दिस वन. All right. Here we go. सर कैसा लगा आपको आपकी खुद की पिक्चर का ट्रेलर? Very nice, fantastic. Okay, let's have a big round of applause for them. I'm going to humbly request you to please wait backstage as I'm going to invite you back in some time. I'm going to request you to please wait backstage. I'm going to invite you back. Ladies and gentlemen, कैसा लगा आपको ट्रेलर? एक बार जोरदार तालियों से बता दीजिए. Well, thrill, action, deception, misdirection, mind-bending, blasting, total धमाल होने वाला है. On your screens, don't forget to add this Jewel Thief onto your must-watch list when it finally drops on 25th of April exclusively on Netflix. और ladies and gentlemen, मैं आपको बताऊं, असली मैजिक जो है वो पर्दे के पीछे होता है. और अब इस मंच पर मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा to give us a glimpse into the passion, planning and powerhouse creativity that brought it all together. Please welcome the director, original films at Netflix India, Ruchika Kapoor Sheikh, to share a few words.
थैंक यू. इतने धमाकेदार ट्रेलर के बाद एक छोटी सी स्पीच तो बनती है, नहीं? ट्रेलर ज़्यादा धमाकेदार होगा, स्पीच धमाकेदार शायद नहीं, लेकिन इम्पॉर्टेंट ज़रूर है. बिकॉज आई एम हियर टू टॉक अबाउट ऑल द इनक्रेडिबल पीपल बिहाइंड दिस फिल्म. फर्स्टली अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट अस एट नेटफ्लिक्स. नेटफ्लिक्स पर हमारा बस एक ही मकसद है, to tell stories that are emotional, engaging and entertaining. कुछ कहानियाँ आपको हंसाएगी, कुछ आपको रुलाएगी, and some will have thrill. Thrill से याद आया, I'm here to talk about the most thrilling, highest action adventure film of the year, Jewel Thief. And the man who made it possible, Siddharth Anand, as a producer, putting together this film at such scale with a relentlessness in its narrative and lots of twists and turns. Starring a formidable cast like Jaideep Ahlawat. Boy, he really knows how to play bad. From Jaane Ja to Maharaj, हमने decide किया है हम आपको जयदीप अल्हावत के सारे रंग और रूप सिर्फ Netflix पे दिखाएंगे. Moving to Kunal Kapoor, who brings his A game as the cop, who's incessantly quick on the heels of this jewel thief. He brings his signature presence and charm to his role with so much effortless ease. Nikita Datta, who adds so much gravitas, innocence, and a silent depth to the film. And finally, the Nawab turned thief, Saif Ali Khan. What is this film without him? Basically, it's all your cheers. Finally, Mamta Anand, who is the 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. backbone and anchor of this film. See, there's so much validation backstage. She's not here with us today because, much like other days, she's working backstage. But thank you so much for giving the trailer so much love. And we're hoping when this drops on the 25th of April, you give Jewel Thief a special place in your houses and in your hearts. Thank you so much.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're super excited to witness this grand streaming debut powered by Siddharth Anand's vision and Mamta Anand's powerhouse production house, Marflix. With that, let me invite Mr. Siddharth Anand back on stage. Let's give him a big round of applause. Sir, कैसे हैं आप? Sir, बहुत लोग हैं. Everybody is excited. I just wanted to ask you, romance, war, espionage, and now this genre. What excites you about a story? What is the common thread between all the genres which excites you about making a film?
Common thread, I think, is entertainment. I think there are so many people here. It's my endeavor is to make films that you can watch as a community together and enjoy it. सीटी बजाओ, ताली बजाओ, हंसो, थोड़ा सा रो भी लो कि पिक्चर अच्छी है.
सर मैं कह रहा था थोड़ा सा आगे आ जाते while we just set up, and of course the audience has given you so much love for all the films you've created. We're really looking forward to this super streaming debut. And even though I wanted to ask you later, मैं कह रहा था कि पूरी कास्ट को बुला लेते हैं, पूरे क्रू को बुला लेते हैं जिन्होंने इतनी मेहनत करी है. Ladies and gentlemen, एक बार फिर से let's hear it for Ruchika Kapoor Sheikh. Ma'am, can I request you to please join us back on stage?
ऐसे सही जगह छुपा के रखा था, किसी को नहीं मिलेगा.
उसको भी नहीं मिला.
There's many jewels up there.
No wonder everybody's been searching. How have you been? First up, congratulations one more time. The trailer looks spectacular. सैफ सर, मैं देख रहा था पिक्चर. देखिए, हर इस तरह की फिल्म में पता नहीं लग रहा होता किरदार क्या कर रहे हैं. तो आप ये चोरी पकड़ रहे हैं कि चोरी कर रहे हैं कि डबल क्रॉस कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा बताइए ना कि क्या कर रहे हैं.
देखिए, in a heist film like this, the lines between hero, anti-hero, mastermind, they often blur, you know.
तो सर यही तो पूछ रहा हूँ कि मतलब अब आप बता दीजिए. मैं कह रहा हूँ 25 तारीख का क्या वेट करना, सर बता दीजिए सर प्लीज. If you could share more about your character, what else is happening?
What is the lovely thing about a script like this? I mean, what I like about a heist movie is the guy does something technically wrong. I mean, he breaks the law, but he does it for a good reason, usually to help someone in his family. And that kind of, it's an honorable kind of theft. So it makes it a very exciting kind of character. He's got skills that are of the criminal type. And I think people enjoy watching people breaking the law in a movie like this. It gives them a chance to kind of take on the system. And I think that's what heist films are about. And it's got a tremendous kind of strong anti-hero antagonist in Jaideep. So it was a lovely part for me.
Fantastic. You know, I saw the trailer, Jaideep. आप इतने कमाल के unforgettable किरदार करते हैं. जब भी कुछ करते हैं उसमें अपना कुछ नयापन लेके आते हैं. When we saw this, थोड़ा थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन सा हो रहा है कि आप चोरी करवा रहे हो, कर रहे हो कि क्या है. सो थोड़ा सा आप भी बताएं अपने किरदार के बारे में प्लीज.
तो देख लो, रेड सन नहीं लग रहा मैं, इतना कैरेक्टर में हूँ आज तक. बट आप क्यों जानना चाहते हैं? आपको फिल्म नहीं देखनी है क्या?
सर मेरे पास सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है ना, वो पासवर्ड चेंज कर दिया मेरे दोस्त ने.
नहीं, देखिए ये जैसे सर ने कहा कि हाइस्ट फिल्म्स में हमेशा बहुत सारे ट्विस्ट टर्न्स होते हैं और किसी को नहीं पता है कौन क्या गेम खेल रहा है. एज सर सेड कि नोबडी नोज, हमेशा ब्लफ होगा, कुछ ना कुछ ऊपर नीचे होगा. किरदार बदलेंगे, उनकी हरकतें बदलेंगी तो कुछ नया ट्विस्ट आएगा. तो आई एम श्योर आपको बहुत सारे नए ट्विस्ट देखने को मिलेंगे. अब ये नहीं बताऊंगा कि मैं चोरी करवा रहा हूँ या कर रहा हूँ, वो आपको फिल्म देखने के बाद ही पता चलेगा.
चलिए सिद्धार्थ सर, मैं आपसे जानना चाह रहा था कि कितने की चोरी लगती है सर कि इतनी शानदार कास्ट इकट्ठी करनी पड़े. मतलब पिक्चर में नहीं, मतलब इन रियल लाइफ कितने की चोरी करनी पड़ती है कि इतने शानदार स्टार्स आते हैं.
मुझे नेटफ्लिक्स में जाके बहुत बड़ी चोरी करनी पड़ी थी इसके लिए और मैं बता नहीं सकता हूँ क्या है. बट बहुत मेहनत लगी, बहुत स्किल लगा इसके लिए.
So I wanted to know, because it's your OTT debut, and of course this is great partnership between you and Netflix. Could you share more about it, sir?
I think it's a great fit for Netflix's film. The fact that it will debut in 190 countries with 300 million subscribers watching this film on day one. You know, my endeavor was to make an immersive film experience that you can watch in the comfort of your couch at home. So that's what Jewel Thief will offer you, and Netflix is the best platform for that.
You know, let's have a big round of applause for that. Talking about the platform, of course, Netflix has some of the most gripping, iconic high stories globally. So I wanted to ask from you, what makes Jewel Thief a perfect fit for Netflix India?
You know, we actually always do a genre that's best in class, and the best in class really comes from the team behind it. I don't think I mentioned this earlier, but both Robbie and Cookie have so masterfully crafted this absolute masaledar, fun, heist action film. It's in fact harder to do a familiar genre and yet throw in surprises and mount it in a certain way, give every actor the time in the sun, round of characters. So I think just the experience of working with such incredible creators who've brought honesty, depth, and a whole lot of conviction to the film has really been the reason that, you know, we went ahead and did Jewel Thief. Of course, it helps that some really decent actors like Saif Ali Khan, Jaideep Alawat, Nikita Datta, and Kunal Kapoor are a part of it. I think it's the whole package.
You know, talking about the package, I saw this package being delivered on a bike. You know, the moment you made that entry and you said, यार घबराने की कोई बात नहीं है, सब secured है. मैंने कहा यार ये अगर ट्रेलर ऐसा दिख रहा है तो पिक्चर में क्या धमाकेदार होगा. Could you share, you know, something about your character and what excited you about this character for you to pick up this project?
Well, you know, I was looking to do a film like this. Like I've never done a heist film, which is a roller coaster ride, thriller, surprise after surprise. So I was looking to do something like that, and luckily I had a chance to do it with an amazing team. But for me, what was really exciting was the part. You know, I get a chance to play a tough, ruthless cop. Usually I'm always cast as the mediator, the peacemaker, the poet, the philosopher. And I mean, in usual circumstances, if I was cast in this film, I would probably be putting all of you all on the table and saying, let's just sort this out. Let's just divide the red sun and move on. You know, that's the kind of parts I get. But here, you know, I get a chance to not be the peacemaker. I get a chance to have a gun, a badge, and slam a few people around. And that was great fun for me.
फैंटास्टिक बट सचिन इतना मन में आया नहीं कि एक बार टेबल पे बिठा के कर ही लेते हैं 3 हिस्से कर लेते हैं
वो मुझे लगता है सैफ सर की सैलरी के साथ करना चाहिए
मूविंग ऑन
इसके 3 हिस्से
चलिए वो मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछूंगा तो आप उसका जवाब निकिता फर्स्ट ऑफ कांग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर दिस फैंटास्टिक प्रोजेक्ट इफ यू कुड शेयर विद अस यू नो ऑफ कोर्स यू नो व्हेन यू आर अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस हाइस्ट so much is happening in every scene, the story is moving so forward, and so much is happening in every frame. Could you share with us what was your experience working with this fantastic crew, and what is the one thing you learned or you took back from this project?
You know, as you rightly mentioned, when a heist is happening, there is actually a lot happening even while you're shooting. So there were lots of times when I would actually get so lost because I would just be like, okay, what's going on? Why is it going here? What's happening basically with the scene? So I've had 2 very, very talented directors who've actually led me on with that. If you have to talk about taking back from this film, I mean, I've been a part of Sid Anand's world, which I feel is a huge thing because, I mean, you know, I feel as an actor, especially as a female actress, I would say, when you start working, all these years I have been in the industry, I don't think I've actually lived that classic Bollywood heroine tag, which thanks to you and to Mamta, I have gotten this opportunity to play the classic Bollywood heroine. And I'm not saying just because you're going to see me dancing. It's just overall to get the heroine feeling. And I think I've gotten that from this film. So that's my personal takeaway from being a part of Sid Anand's world with this film.
You know, you spoke about the director, sir. So much is happening. Especially a genre like this where you got an ensemble cast. What was your approach to bring each character's arc alive and, you know, making sure that every character was really mysterious and entertaining for the audience?
I think, firstly, thanks Netflix for having such an amazing event and for all of you to be here. आप सोच सकते हैं अगर इतना इवेंट अच्छा है लॉन्च करने के लिए तो पिक्चर में कितनी चीज़ें होगी. I think मुझे firstly for me for this film Siddharth Anand was the northern star. तो उन्हीं को follow करके I've navigated this film. He brought me on जहाँ पे इतनी अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट पहले तो जहाँ पे इतने ट्विस्ट टर्न्स इतने उमदे कैरेक्टर्स जो आपको एक पता ही नहीं चलता कि ये पॉइंट पे क्या करेंगे विच वाज सो अमेजिंग. इतने अच्छे एक्टर्स इतना बड़ा सेटअप. आई थिंक दैट फॉर मी दैट वाज अमेजिंग. और जो कैरेक्टर्स को वो बिल्ड किया आई थिंक लेट रॉबी टेक दैट.
So पहले तो I feel there are so many twists and turns. एक नहीं 2 डायरेक्टर लग गए बनाने में. I mean, so you can imagine. I mean, but on a serious note, I think it was Sid's baby. In the beginning, he got the script to be to us, and it's his vision, and the script was with him for some time, and we got the chance and opportunity to actually put it on screen. And personally, for me, a heist genre was something I really wanted to do. It excites me, watching it, making it, all of it. And to top it up with the script that we had, I mean, you can just see who's sitting over here. I mean, it's not even icing on the cake, it's bloody the cake. I mean, so fantabulous. As far as the characters, the way we built it and perceived them and put it on screen, I think the script had it all. You know what happens is, in a narrative, when your script has lots of twists and turns, things move at a certain speed in a certain way. Our job actually becomes a little about making sure they go in the right direction, the right way. It's one of those films where the treatment was kind of laced out on the paper. You know, it's like not a character-driven film. It's actually a structural-driven film in the screenplay, where things are happening at a great speed, not knowing what's going to happen next. So it was honestly a fantastic experience in terms of getting a good script. I mean, the actors that we have on stage. A dream, honestly. And we lived it up. We hopefully made a good film. And yeah.
Now this dream is spectacular. It looks phenomenal, and we're looking forward to it. Saif sir, I just wanted to ask. You know, you've been ahead of the curve. You've been the early adapter of the, this whole OTT trend. मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रहा था सर, सच्ची जवाब दीजिएगा. आपको भी Netflix का सब्सक्रिप्शन देना पड़ता है या आपको फ्री मिल रहा है?
नहीं, मुझे भी देना पड़ता है.
आपको देना पड़ता है? अच्छा, I was
499 or something.
मैं तो
That's lesser.
See,
It's
guys,
more expensive.
he gets a discount?
I get a discount.
Yeah,
As the
actually, even I pay more.
It's not the number.
I pay
it's
more.
the value
Yeah.
for money.
नहीं वैल्यू है, पूरी है. वो तो मेरे को लगा था कि अब तक तो जयदीप जी और सैफ को तो अकाउंट परमानेंटली फ्री दे दिया होगा. नहीं ऐसा?
No amazing.
फिर ठीक है,
things
फिर
in the
ठीक है.
world are free.
Everybody pays.
Everybody pays. Then it's fine. So I just wanted
Some
to.
people pay less, Seth. I mean, just you're paying a little more.
But Saif sir, I just want to check with you, because you, as I said, you've been ahead of the curve. Could you share with us, when you see things around, what are the Gen Z trends which you think will now...
Also, your earlier question, if a friend owns a restaurant, I don't like going there for free meals. I think friends should pay, and I don't like taking advantage of things like that. So.
मैं कल से तेरे साथ पासवर्ड शेयर नहीं करूँगा अपना, बस.
What about Gen Z?
So I wanted to know, I just wanted to know, you've got young kids. क्या ट्रेंड चल रहा है सर? कुछ है अंदाजा कि क्या हो रहा है Gen Z की दुनिया में?
नहीं, I don't know, Hopefully the makers know. Hopefully the platform knows. We're actors. When we get an offer, hopefully it comes from a space where people have done a little thinking about what kind of films they should be made. And we're lucky, we get lots of different types of offers. And hopefully the offer is based on some kind of knowledge.
Fair enough.
I think producers should know this, even more than actors. And yeah, I mean, I am in touch with, but it's very difficult to predict trends. I think if you follow yourself, right, if you do something you really believe, I'll tell you about clothes, for example. I feel I've had a sense of fashion because it's what I believe in my heart. So I think if you strongly feel something, then chances are people will agree with you. But if you try and imagine what somebody else would want, you'll fail because it's impossible to do that. True. But since we're all quite similar, if you really try and please yourself, and hopefully a lot of people will agree with you. Does that answer your question?
It does, sir. It does. And I have to, because you spoke about fashion, I think you've been very timeless. And even in that, you've been ahead of the curve, I must say that.
Yeah.
सिद्धार्थ सर, आपसे पूछा था कि आप तो सैफ सर के साथ काफ़ी समय से काम करते हैं. तारा रामपम, सलाम नमस्ते. And now, has anything changed in him? Be honest.
He's.
So it's not the first time we've been asked this question. So
But I want to give an insight. He's grown. Wider and taller. Yeah, those are the only two adjectives.
Emotionally or?
Physically.
Physically, as you can see.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
नहीं और भी कुछ चीजें बताएं सर.
Grown inches.
Same hai yaar. I think he is lovable. He is somebody who's a darling on set. He makes everybody comfortable. And I'm glad कि जो भी change हुआ ये quality change नहीं हुई है. He makes everybody really comfortable, eases out everybody. Sometimes his jokes scare some people. His sense of humor is such. But he's amazing, and that's something that he shouldn't change.
So you said not much has changed. Can I humbly ask you, what is that one thing you would like to change in him?
Should I say it? That he should be on time.
Yeah, wasn't I on time?
Sir, आज तो सबसे पहले आए हुए थे.
No, I think he has changed it, if I may.
Why?
I mean, he was mostly
Which
on,
shooting day he changed?
Because I am. What?
You're on time. That's what I'm saying. He's kind of changed. Maybe you let us have control the thing. You were not there at time, but he actually was
aaj
mostly
bhi
on
late
time.
the.
Really, I have to give it. Being honestly on stage.
Thank you.
एडिट कर देना ये वाला.
Professional. Thank you, buddy. Bless you all, my children.
His children, please stand up in the crowd.
No, I've
नहीं नहीं
वो देख.
नहीं नहीं.
Yay!
Oh, 2 बच्चे हैं.
Control.
All cheerers, pick up your checks outside the front door. Thank you.
आपने चेक की बात करी, 3 ये भी खड़े हो गए. Okay. Well, let's move. Ruchika, I wanted to ask you. Netflix has been home to films which often spark cultural conversations, and of course, it resonates deeply with the audiences as well. So, what makes a film stand out and becomes a part of pop culture? Could you share your insight on that?
I wish there was one thing that made every film stand out. But I think whatever that quality is so unique to that particular film. But if I were to crystallize it, maybe the fact that it goes beyond just entertaining and it strikes an emotional chord with people. You relate to characters, you relate to their situations, you relate to where they are in place and time. And we're very proud actually of the Netflix effect that kind of comes off on the back of a few of the titles we've done. Like, I think after Amar Singh Chamkila last year, there was a surge in the kind of music that, people revisited, which actually spoke of the timelessness of sometimes stories and sometimes music. And since you spoke of Gen Z, even when we did Kho Gaye Hum Kaha, while it may have been reflective on screen of a certain generation, it actually threw up themes of what it means to identity in today's day and age. What do we mean by validation? How do we look at our sense of self? So I think the fact that stories, long after the credits have rolled, stay with you, leave a little bit of residue, and at some point connect emotionally could be the reason why they end up traveling, and from the screens and from your device, they actually enter your house and your life. And I think that's really the biggest gift that any story can get.
Fantastic. Let's have a round of applause for all the beautiful stories you've seen on Netflix. जयदीप भाई आपसे बोल रहे थे, एक अफवाह उड़ रही है कि इस फिल्म में AI का भी काफी इस्तेमाल किया गया है, खास करके आपका जो वो डांस है वो आप नहीं कर रहे, वो AI से हुआ है. तो मैं ये जानना चाह रहा हूँ.
I think इनसे डांस करवा लीजिए आप, बेटर है. वो AI नहीं है, खुद किया है.
मैं देखिए सर
गलत बात.
सर नहीं सर
हमारा इतना बजट था नहीं कि AI कर पाए.
सर नहीं, मैं नहीं मानता सर, मैं मानता ही नहीं सर, मैं मान ही नहीं रहा सर.
मैं मानता हूँ कि वो AI है.
हमारा बजट नहीं था इतना.
नहीं
देखो मतलब जेन्युइनली बहुत ज्यादा पैसा खर्च किया.
हमने इनको बोला जो आपको आता है आप कर लीजिए. कोरियोग्राफर ने भी कुछ नहीं किया.
बट जैसे हम दिन में बात कर रहे थे, सर कह रहे थे, पता नहीं लोगों को ऐसा क्यों सरप्राइज लगता है कोई नाच सकता है, विच वॉज नॉट. आई मीन जो लोग मुझे बचपन से जाते हैं, मैं अपना बैकग्राउंड हरियाणा है, बहुत घुड़चुड़ियों में नाचा हूँ मैं. तो डांसिंग इज
जयदीप सर एक बात बताऊं,
इज ओके. इट्स अगेन शाजिया एंड पीयूष
Shazia.
just made our job easy. That's it.
I'll actually tell you, जब हम ये गाना शूट कर रहे थे, तो what happens is whichever actor has to go and dance, बाकी सब तब रेस्ट कर रहे होते हैं, काफ़ी टाइम वैन में चले जाते हैं. जब जयदीप सर कैमरा के सामने जाने वाले थे डांस करने के लिए, he had an audience. हम सब ऐसे बैठकर देख रहे थे कि जयदीप is going to dance. We need to see this. सब उनके पहले शॉट के लिए वेट कर रहे थे.
पता हो क्या रहा था, सब बैठे थे कि देखते अब क्या करता है.
मैं आपको
लाइनें याद करता नहीं, मैं बताती हूँ अभी. बट बहुत मजा आया क्योंकि साथ में रिहर्स भी कर रहे थे. जितना भी हमें वक्त मिला, टाइम मिला, मुझे लगता है थोड़ा कम ही वक्त मिला उसके लिए. बट आई थिंक प्रवीण एक लड़का है जो उनकी टीम में है, उसने मुझे thank you guys, Shazia, Piyush, Praveen. It's happened because of you guys. Thank you so much.
मेरे इतने सारे ऐसे फैंस मेरे लिए चिल्ला रहे होते ना सर.
No. नहीं. गलत है ये, गलत है. मैं इसकी अवमानना करता हूँ.
You want him to see? You want him to see? क्या आप देखना चाहते हैं? ओके, 25 अप्रैल को नेटफ्लिक्स पे देख लीजिएगा. 25 को नेटफ्लिक्स पे.
थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक
थैंक यू। बाकी का डांस आपको दिखेगा एक्सक्लूसिवली ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स 25 अप्रैल को। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग सच अ स्पॉट। लेट्स हैव अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर हिम। मैं निकिता आपसे जानना चाह रहा था कि फिल्म में इतनी चोरी हो रही है, इन रियल लाइफ आप अपने इन 3 को स्टार्स से क्या चुराना चाहेंगी?
Their real life personality.
हाँ जी, रियल लाइफ पर्सनालिटी से।
I think from Saif, I would like to steal his wit and his coolness. Yeah, a big fan of that. From Jaideep, I would want to really steal his acting skills. Unbeatable, as any co-actor I've worked with. And with Kunal, I would actually want to steal his voice. I've always said I really, really like. In fact, right now when you were backstage and you started speaking, I looked at Jaideep and I said, oh my God, his voice. I definitely want to steal that.
क्या बात है सर, मतलब है जी। नहीं, मैं तो खुद बोल रहा हूँ, आप जब बाइक से उतर के आए आपने बोला यार शांत रहो, मैंने कहा यार बंदा कह रहा है तो शांत ही रहो। तो मतलब आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क यू, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू स्टील फ्रॉम योर को स्टार्स इन रियल लाइफ?
अरे यार अभी सब बोल चुके, अभी मैं
नहीं उनको छोड़ दो, सर आप बताओ, बाकियों से नहीं पूछेंगे हम।
अभी बहुत सिमिलर चीज़ें हैं एक्चुअली। Now it sounds boring when I say it, but you know what I really like about Jaideep is he has this ability where he takes feedback very well. तो मैं ये कभी सीन करते थे और मैं बोलता था ऐसे मत करो, थोड़ा ये ऐसे ट्राई कर लो, and he used to say very good suggestion. तो he's very talented, but he's very open to feedback. And I think Saif is somebody who's very gracious, especially when it comes to me landing a couple of extra punches. He was very gracious about taking them. So he's a very gracious co-star, and very generous as a co-star as well, which is very rare in our industry, where you don't, where everyone's trying to actually hog the limelight. But you know, he's he's somebody who's very fair, and you know, he's thinking about the film. But Nikita, you know, we didn't get a chance to really work together because, yeah, we've not worked in the film at all because मेरा जो कैरेक्टर है वो हिंदी फिल्म 80s की हिंदी फिल्म जो होती है ना, उस तरह का कॉप है जो 5 मिनट बाद हमेशा पहुंचता है। तो जब वारदात हो जाती है, सब कुछ खत्म हो जाता है, तब वो पहुंचता है। So we actually don't have any work together, but you know, I really enjoy chatting with her. She's incredibly smart. We've had some great conversations, and you know, I've really enjoyed my time just hanging out on set whenever we've had a chance.
I'm glad you
chatting.
didn't criticize the music, but that's great.
Criticize which music?
My playlist.
उनका playlist. Okay, sir, I just want to ask you, if you had an Instagram account or your character had an Instagram account, what would be the name of the handle?
If my character had an Instagram account, it would be called.
No, Jules. No, come on.
Yeah, it'd be something to do with that.
बनाया तो होगा आपने.
Diamonds or jewelry or some kind of. Call me for stealing. I don't know what something. He definitely. I think. Do you think a thief, international thief, should have an Instagram account? Like, hey.
Sir, 2025 में तो होना चाहिए. और in fact आपको reels भी बनानी चाहिए.
This is my house, and please, any.
Let's not talk about that.
Any theft, I can be reached at this number.
Fantastic.
Yeah, it's a really good idea for a thief, international jewel thief, to have an Instagram account. Yeah, no. You're not going to ask me what I want to steal from my co-star?
Please, I will.
I want to steal Jaideep Arawat's feminine charm. He's very graceful, quiet. Nikita's manly laugh, because I wish I had a slightly more. You have to hear her laugh. And
I really didn't expect that coming. I thought you said something nice.
आज खुश तो बहुत.
You're not going to see me laughing in the film, Saving Grace.
And I wouldn't mind being as tall as Kunal. Okay.
What about the person who's sitting right next to you here, Siddharth Anand?
Stealing from
him.
I don't have to steal from him. He gives me.
Wow.
He gives me.
Fantastic.
He's always given me.
So sweet. Jaideep, I wanted to ask you, and this is going to be the last question. एक ऐसी चीज जो हम में से किसी को नहीं पता और आप चाहेंगे कि हमें बताएं, कोई एक ऐसी चीज जो आप चाहते हैं दुनिया को पता लगे आपके बारे में जो अभी तक नहीं मालूम.
नहीं चाहता मैं सब.
नहीं, एक जैसे डांस तो आपने छुपा के रखा था, हमें पता लगा, कोई एक ऐसी
आपको अभी पता चला, जो लोग मुझे जानते हैं वो सालों से जानते हैं।
पर आपके फैंस को भी पता लगा और बड़ा खुश थे
जो लोगों ने
आपको
on
उस
screen
रूप में
पहली बार
देखकर।
देखा है, उनके लिए नया है। बाकी पता नहीं, मैं घर खरीदने वाला हूँ। इज दैट आई एम प्लानिंग टू बाय अ हाउस, इज दैट न्यू टू एवरीवन? किसी को नहीं पता अभी
Just
तक?
don't give your address out.
नो आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू से।
जूल थीफ के लॉन्च पे आप बोल रहे हो आप घर खरीद रहे हो, वेरी गुड।
बात तो
आप देख
ठीक
रहे
है,
हो,
अच्छी बात है।
आपने मुझसे नहीं पूछा मैं क्या क्या चुरा सकता हूँ।
सर अभी आएंगे एंड में
अच्छा।
इसमें आएंगे। तो पहले तो यही हो गया कि भाई खबर आपको दे दी हमने, और अब फाइनल बताइए इनसे क्या आप चुराना
आप
चाहते हैं।
सीरियसली पूछने लगे? मैं तो ऐसे ही बस-
अरे नहीं, आपने बोला आप
हरियाणा में एक प्रॉपर्टी है पटोडी पैलेस। अच्छी है, मैंने देखी है, बहुत कमाल की, बहुत कमाल की है।
ठीक है।
या सिद्धार्थ सर अच्छा नहीं आपसे हाँ, निकिता से उसकी एक्चुअली बहुत एनर्जेटिक है वो। शी इज ऑलवेज हैप्पी। I sometimes envy that like she's always charming, happy zone, and yes, let's do something.
See, that's how you appreciate a laugh.
Yeah, so I
the right
kind of
way.
think how
was
how
just
come
joking,
she's
yeah.
so enigmatic every single day, every single time. And bhai, of course, the fitness, the voice, everything, yeah, looks great. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. I just thought because the fans are here, you all are here, let's kind of make it very special. Sir, आप तो नहीं है Instagram पे, हम लोग हैं सर, हम डाल देते हैं सर एक selfie to capture this beautiful
My
moment.
pictures are on Instagram.
No, I know that sir. ये मैं अपने लिए कर रहा हूँ sir. So can I request you all to please let's take a picture together. Can I humbly request you all to please and यार मेरा phone ले आओ यार, किथे यार, all okay, let's